Hi, welcome to MKR Industrial Automations and Service Private Limited. We have service ranges on following segments: breakdowns, AMC Service, validation, repairs, upgradation, retrofitting, modifications, switchgear problems, drawings panel rewiring, software issues, field instruments issues. Under breakdown issues we do PLC breakdowns, HMI breakdowns, SCADA breakdown, VFD breakdowns. Under AMC Services we do total plant services and different type of applications. Under validations we do PLC Validations Computerized System validation for PLC Excetra. Under repairs we do AC and DC drives, PLCs, HMIs and Servo system etc. Under upgradations we do PLC upgradations, HMI upgradations, SCADA upgradations, VFD upgradations, Servo system upgradations. Under retrofitting we do panel rewiring and old system to latest system conversion. Under modifications we do PLC programming modification, HMI program modification, SCADA program modification, VFD parameters modifications, and Servo system modifications. Under switchgear problem we do ACB, MCCB and changeover switch. Under drawings PLC control panel drawing, VFD control panel drawing. MCC control panel drawing, PCC control panel drawing, APFC control panel drawing etc. Under field instrument issues like instrument failure and the lack of spares, incorrect use of equipment, incorrectly specified instrumentation, incorrectly installed instrumentation. We deal with brand Siemens, Delta, Mitsubishi, Omron, Danfoss, Allen Bradley, Gefunik, Autonix, Jumo, Schneider, Kubler, Schemschel, P&F, Panasonic, Radix, Weicker, YTC and General Instruments. Major clients we deal with Pharma and Cement are MSN, Hetero, Sanzyme, Dr. Reddy's, Ultratech Cement, Aurobindo, etc. Major clients we deal with food and beverages and paper industry are ABBU, ITC and COCOLA, Divya Shakti, Andhra Paper Limited etc. Major clients we deal with paint industry and wastewater management are AkzoNobel, Asian Paint, Revolve and Ryali Technology etc. Our big end users and OEMs are Bell, ALPLA, SAMKERG, ITW, SIGNORE etc. For more details contact our service team. Please do subscribe, share, like and click on bell icon.